equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on maintaining your Thermomix TM5. In this video, we will cover the essential steps for changing the locking system, maintaining the potentiometer, unblocking the motor, replacing the blade, and installing the handle. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM5. Safety is paramount. Once it's unplugged, flip it over to access the screws on the base. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws carefully. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. With the screws removed, gently lift the base off. You'll see the locking mechanism. If it's not functioning properly, it may need replacing. To do this, unscrew the old locking system and replace it with a new one. If you're unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice. Next, let's move on to the potentiometer. This component controls the speed of the blades. If you notice any irregularities in performance, it might need maintenance. Locate the potentiometer, which is usually near the motor. Clean it gently with a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, consider replacing it. Now, let's unblock the motor. Sometimes, food particles can get stuck, affecting performance. Carefully inspect the motor area. If you see any blockages, use your pliers to remove them gently. Be cautious not to damage any components. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your Thermomix. After ensuring the motor is clear, it's time to replace the blade. This is a crucial step for maintaining optimal performance. To do this, locate the blade assembly. Unscrew it using your flathead screwdriver. Once removed, replace it with a new blade, ensuring it's securely fastened. A sharp blade is essential for efficient blending and chopping. Finally, let's install the handle. This is a simple yet important step. Align the handle with the designated slots and press it into place. Ensure it's secure before reassembling the base. Once everything is in place, reattach the base by aligning it with the main unit and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight to avoid any rattling during use. Before you start using your Thermomix again, give it a thorough clean. Wipe down the exterior and ensure all components are free from any residue. If you need assistance, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. And there you have it. Your Thermomix TM5 is now well maintained and ready for action. Regular maintenance will not only enhance its performance but also extend its lifespan. Happy cooking! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.